Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at intelligent big data security analysis platform from Huawei, and we'll see how we can leverage the big data techniques to secure our network in combination with the sandboxing technique which we discussed in the previous video. But before we discuss the big data security techniques, let's first understand briefly what big data is. By definition, big data is a collection of large number of complex data that cannot be extracted, stored, searched for, or shared, or analyzed, or processed using existing software tools. In simple terms, this means that big data is a type of data which fulfills or which is defined by these characteristics. We also call this the 3 V's or the 4 V's of big data, which means volume, variety, velocity, and also value. If any data has got these 3 or 4 characteristics, we call that big data. What do we mean by these 3 or 4 V's? By volume, we mean that the amount of data or the volume of data is very large. There's a large amount of data which we have to process. Variety means that the types of data that we are dealing with is of very different kinds. There are different kinds of data that we are dealing with. Therefore, this means that for every different type of data, we'll have to use different types of tools for processing and analyzing that data. Velocity means that this data is being generated at a large speed, or a lot of data is being generated every second or every minute. And then the value means that the value density of this data is relatively low, is fairly low as compared to traditional data. This means that the valuable information that we can extract out of a unit amount of data is low as compared to the traditional types of data which we deal with. This means that we have to process a large amount of data in order to get something useful, or in order to detect certain patterns within that data. So this is called low value density. Essentially this means that we have to work with large amounts of data, and we have to process a lot of data at very high speed in order to make sure that we can get something useful out of the data. And in case of security environment, we have to process a large amount of security related logs or data traffic in order to find out an attack that might be happening within our network or within our infrastructure. So if we combine big data processing with machine learning and security analysis, we get what we call the intelligent big data security analysis. And Huawei's solution for big data security analysis, which includes the aspects of machine learning and security analysis tools, is called the CIS, or Cyber Intelligence System. CIS is Huawei's solution for big data analysis for security infrastructures, and this combined with the sandboxing solution and the CM solutions provides a very comprehensive security implementation or security framework for deploying in any enterprise or large-scale data center environments. So when we combine big data analysis with machine learning, as I just mentioned, we get a more comprehensive security implementation. But what is machine learning? In case of machine learning, we automate the task of data analysis within the framework or within the paradigm of big data analysis. We get large data sets. We use some of the data within that large data set to train our model or our classifier. This is what we call training the classifier or training the model. You don't need to understand machine learning in depth to understand what is happening here, because all this is happening behind the scenes and we don't have to worry about this. The CIS, Huawei's big data analysis solution, is doing this automatically, but it's good to understand a few basic terms. So we call this training the classifier. This means that we use the data, large amount of data, majority of the data, for training the classifier, and then the remaining data is used for verification or validation of whatever model we have trained or whatever model we have developed. And if that model is not effective, if the evaluation finds out that model is not effective, we can modify the model and retrain the model until we get optimal results in the evaluation phase. So basically, once again, to cut the long story short and just give you a brief overview, machine learning by using machine learning, we are trying to automate the task of big data analysis within our security environment. So Huawei's big data security solution, which we call CIS or Cyber Intelligence System, what it does is, on different layers, it collects information from different devices within our infrastructure in the form of either mirrored traffic or in the form of log traffic. This traffic is collected by the CIS, by the big data solution from Huawei. This traffic is collected and then it is processed, and once it is processed or it is defined, then it is passed on to the analysis layer, where the traffic is analyzed and checked if any of this traffic contains threat vectors or contains malicious code. Once those threats have been identified, then that information can be passed on to the management interface, where the network SOC engineers or SOC teams or the security teams can analyze those results and then can take appropriate actions. All this information can be passed to any third-party softwares which can automatically or which can process these results and which can automatically take appropriate actions. For example, in case of the firewall interworking, we saw that this information could be passed to the firewall, and firewall could actually take the actions automatically. This slide shows the CIS component architecture, or how CIS works in collaboration with other solutions. So we see that data is passed on to CIS. CIS analyzes, collects, sorts out and analyzes the data. Then it synchronizes this data with other security implementations or other security tools within our network, for example, the SIEM or the sandboxes. And then all of them correlate their information, and then we get a consistent picture of any attack that might be happening within our data infrastructure or within our data centers. We can see that big data security platform can collect data from different sources, either from our data center servers or from our head offices or from our branch offices or our internet gateway devices or any other network devices, for example, firewalls or antivirus boxes or IPS, intrusion prevention system. And it can collect log data or actual data traffic and do the analysis as we discussed in the previous slide, and provide the results either to the security administrators or to other security devices, which can then take appropriate actions. So we need to remember that big data in combination with other security solutions, for example SIEM or sandboxing, can provide a very robust and comprehensive security solution within our cloud and large data center environments. This was about big data and sandboxing solutions. In the next video, let's take a look at the SDN and the firewall virtualization solutions from Huawei, and then we'll take a look at the cloud security solutions. So see you in the next video.